Welcome to iIntelligence. Today let us see how to sort data in Microsoft Excel. Dear friends, let us see how to sort data in Microsoft Excel. Now this is the Microsoft Excel sheet which I have opened. I am taking a sample data, copying the sample data. I am pasting it as a sample data. I am just pasting it. Right. So there is 30 numbers of data which I have with me. I need to sort it out. Sort it out in the sense either ascending order or descending order. That is the marks in English. The highest is around 100, right? Yes. And the lowest can be some other value. I think it's 45, right? So this we need to sort it out manually, not manually, by using Microsoft Excel. So how to do it easily? Suppose there is a group of students in the class, 30 in a class, and we want to rank them. Put the rank order here, right? In the particular order, ranking from first to last, right? In such cases, we need to go for sorting the data. So how to sort the data in Excel? That is a question. So it's quite very easy. What you have to do is, you have to sort this data, right? So in order to sort this data, just click this, then just select the data, right, above, and there is a filter option. Just click that filter, right? Now the filter has come to the data. Now at what column you want to filter or sort it out, just click it, filter and sort. There are a lot of options available: sort ascending, sort descending. Sort ascending means in increasing order, sort descending means in decreasing order. Suppose if I click sort descending, the top mark will come to the top and the last mark will come at the bottom. So now I am clicking sort descending, right? Now you can see top mark is 100 and in decreasing order the other marks comes, right? So the last digit is 45 and the last mark is 45 and the top mark is 100, right? Now you can rank this. This is the rank, right? Right. So this is the rank of all these marks that has been sorted out, right? This is how we sort the data in Excel. Okay. Now suppose you want to sort it in ascending order, that is from smaller marks to higher marks. In that case, just click sort ascending. Right now you see, so top mark at the bottom and the minimum mark at the top. Right. This is how we sort the data in ascending and descending order in Excel. Hope you have understood. In case of huge numbers of data, it's quite very easy for you to do this procedure and sort it out easily. So thank you friends.